Hello, if you're over 50, stop eating seeds until you hear this. Do your legs feel like lead when climbing stairs? Does standing up from a chair feel like a daily challenge? You might have a silent thief stealing your muscle strength right now. And here's the shocking part. The very seeds most experts recommend might be passing through your body like ghosts. Zero absorption, zero benefits. This condition is called sarcopenia, the silent muscle killer. Starting at age 30, we lose about 1% of muscle strength every year. Do the math. In just 15 years, that's like losing the strength of an entire leg. But stay with me, because I'm about to reveal 5 powerful seeds. And the last one? It's the master key that activates all the others. A discovery that truly surprised me. Imagine 5 elite soldiers, each one designed to fight muscle loss from a different angle. Number 5 is your cellular repair squad. Number 4 are the famous ones that most people waste. Number 3 is your powerhouse of strength. Number 2 is nature's smartest protein. And number 1, a seed with 90% digestibility, almost like an egg, but with benefits eggs and meat simply don't offer. Individually, they're powerful. Together, they're unstoppable. But beware, prepare them the wrong way, and these seeds can turn into digestive time bombs. There are real cases of choking, intestinal blockages, even hospital emergencies. I'll reveal the fatal mistake that 90% of people make in just a moment. So, let me ask you, have your legs felt weaker lately? And where in the world are you watching from? Leave a comment below, I'd love to know. Now let's expose the enemy. Sarcopenia is not normal aging. It's a reversible process of muscle destruction. A major study in the Journal of Cachexia analyzed nearly 12,000 people and found that after age 40, we can lose up to 8% of muscle mass per decade. But here's the breakthrough. Another study found that just 15 grams a day of specific seeds reduced muscle-wasting markers by an incredible 72%. But listen carefully. Going above 20 grams can triple your risk of internal bleeding. The right dose can heal, the wrong dose can harm. Ready? Let's reveal the 5 seeds your muscles are begging for. Seed number 5, pomegranate seeds, the repair army. Think of pomegranate seeds as microscopic construction workers, repairing the damage caused by inflammation day and night. They contain powerful antioxidants called punicalagins, which studies show can reduce muscle inflammation by up to 40%. Ever had lingering muscle soreness that just won't go away? Eating fresh pomegranate seeds after exercise can help ease that pain over time. But here's the key. Chew the seeds until they form a paste. Why? Because 83% of the anti-sarcopenia compounds are inside the seed itself, not in the juice. Drinking only the juice is an expensive waste. Important note, if you have diabetes, stick to no more than half a cup a day, because the natural sugar content is high. Seed number 4, chia and flax seeds, the misunderstood duo. Now, here's a shocker. Chia and flax seeds, the darlings of social media, can be useless or even dangerous if eaten the wrong way. Take flax seeds. If you eat them whole, it's like swallowing locked safes filled with gold. Your body simply can't unlock the nutrients inside. Even worse, a Canadian study found that 35% of intestinal blockages in older adults were linked to improperly prepared seeds. Here's how to do it right. Flax seeds. Always grind them fresh. Once ground, their oils begin to oxidize within 15 minutes. If you store them, keep them in the fridge for no more than 7 days. Otherwise, you're eating rancid seeds. Chia seeds. Soak them in water for 10 to 15 minutes before eating. Use a 1:10 ratio of chia to water. This forms a gel that protects your digestive tract. When prepared correctly, these tiny seeds are muscle savers. They're loaded with omega-3s, about 18 grams per 100 grams, which is even more than salmon. They help cut inflammation markers like interleukin-6 by up to 40%, and shield your muscle fibers like armor. So tell me, are you preparing your chia and flax the right way? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Seed number 3. Pumpkin seeds, the powerhouse of strength. Burn this into your memory. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds, about a small handful, contains nearly 550 milligrams of magnesium. That's around 130% of your daily needs. Magnesium is the spark that makes your muscles contract. Without it, your muscles are like a luxury car with no battery. Do you struggle with night cramps, leg weakness, or even muscle twitches? Those could be red flags of low magnesium. And there's more. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc. According to the World Health Organization, older adults with zinc deficiency are up to 3 times more likely to die from fall-related complications within just 5 years. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gives you about 40% of your daily zinc needs, a true insurance policy for your muscles and bones. How to use: roast them lightly at 325 degrees, 160 degrees for about 12 minutes. No salt. Sodium raises blood pressure. Instead, season with herbs like oregano or rosemary for flavor. At this point, you already have 3 powerful allies, but the next 2, they change the game completely. Seed number 2, hemp seeds, nature's smartest protein. Welcome to the royalty of plant proteins. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, something extremely rare in the plant kingdom. Just 3 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of high-quality protein. That's the difference between building your body with reinforced concrete versus weak sand. But here's an important safety note. Around 0.3% of people are severely allergic to hemp. To be safe, rub a little hemp seed on your wrist. If you notice redness or itching, avoid consuming it. For most people, though, hemp is a clean, complete protein that helps repair and build lean muscle, making it especially valuable for anyone over 50 trying to fight muscle loss. Seed number 1, amaranth, the ultimate muscle protector. And now the crown jewel, amaranth. This ancient seed isn't just protein-rich, it's one of the most digestible proteins on Earth, with a digestibility rate of 90%. To put that in perspective, amaranth, 90%, soy, 75%, common beans, 65%, most other grains, 60–70%. It's not just about how much protein you eat, it's about how much your body can actually absorb and use. Amaranth also shines because it's rich in lysine, an amino acid missing from most grains. Lysine is critical for building collagen for skin and connective tissue, repairing muscle fibers, strengthening tendons and ligaments. This makes amaranth an ideal choice for older adults, who often struggle to absorb and process protein efficiently. Research from Mexico showed that older adults who consumed 30 grams of amaranth daily for 8 weeks improved grip strength by 23%, lowered inflammation markers, and even improved heart health. How to prepare: cook 1 cup of amaranth with 2 cups of water for about 20 minutes until soft. It makes 3 servings of nutrient-packed fuel. Or try popping it like popcorn in a hot pan. No oil needed. Amaranth doesn't just feed your muscles. It enhances the effect of all the other seeds, making them more effective. Think of it as the foundation your body needs to maximize every other nutrient. The crucial mistake you must avoid. Now, let's go back to the warning I gave you earlier. Most people make critical mistakes that turn these super seeds into health hazards. 1. Eating flax seeds whole, wasted nutrients. Always grind fresh. 2. Eating dry chia. Risk of choking or intestinal blockage. Always hydrate first. 3. Adding salt to pumpkin seeds. Raises blood pressure. Roast them plain or with herbs. 4. Eating any dry seeds straight from the bag. Dangerous for digestion. Always prepare them properly. How to add them to your routine. Weekly plan. Here's a simple 4-week plan to safely introduce these seeds into your diet. Week 1. Start with 30 green of amaranth daily, your protein foundation. Week 2. Add 15 g of soaked chia per day, your anti-inflammatory shield. Week 3. Add 30 g of roasted pumpkin seeds daily, your strength booster. Week 4. Add 10 g of freshly ground flax plus 20 gras of hemp for complete protein power. All of this costs less than $10 a week, while supplements can easily cost hundreds and deliver only half the results. But here's the reality. Every day you wait, you're losing strength that might never come back. Studies show that after age 70, the rate of muscle loss doubles. This is truly a race against time. So let me ask you, would you rather invest a few dollars in these natural muscle savers, or thousands in medical bills and caregivers a decade from now? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this information. And remember, always check with your doctor before making changes to your diet. Want to keep learning how to protect your health? Watch these next videos on our channel: 7 foods to avoid to prevent a stroke, and what happens when you take omega-3 for 30 days. We've reached the end, and I truly appreciate you staying with me. May we all be blessed with health and strength. Let's fight sarcopenia together. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.